According to Discord, over 140 million people use the service monthly. That's a lot of potential customers and a lot of potential revenue. So how do you make money on Discord? Discord has something to offer if you're a developer looking to sell your wares, a streamer, or a content creator wanting to monetize your fan base. However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. What is Discord? Discord is a chat app with millions of users. This simple-to-use app can be accessed on any device. Discord also allows for voice and video chatting, which makes it perfect for gaming, streaming, or just general chatting with friends. While Discord was initially created for gamers, it has since been adopted by a wide variety of users, including businesses, artists, and more. How to make money on Discord? There are a few different ways that you can make money on Discord. We'll go over some of the most popular methods below. Number 1. Sell products or services. One of the easiest ways to make money on Discord is to sell products or services to users. You can also create a shop on your Discord server using a service like Shopify or WooCommerce. This allows you to sell physical or digital products directly to your Discord users. To sell products or services on Discord, you first need to decide what you will sell. Some of the top things to sell on Discord include artwork, physical products, digital services, courses, software. If you're selling merchandise, you'll want to choose an easy-to-use platform with a wide range of products you can sell. Some of the most popular platforms are Redbubble, TeePublic, and Zazzle. The StockX Discord server is a community of like-minded individuals who come together to discuss all things related to sneakers, collectibles, and more. And we even put together an in-depth look at whether or not StockX is legit. What began as a small group of friends discussing their latest purchases has grown into a thriving community of over 44,000 members. In addition to general discussions, the server also offers exclusive deals and discounts on StockX products. And for those who are looking to make a quick buck, the server features a vibrant marketplace where members can buy and sell items. When you buy or sell on the StockX Discord server, you pay a small fee to StockX. So whether you're a seasoned collector or a complete novice, there's something for everyone on the StockX Discord server. Drawing from my experience as a Discord user, I pay a respectable amount for access to a Discord server specializing in Forex signals. This knowledge helps me immensely in entering and exiting trades and identifying key trading zones. This essential information has helped me manage my risk better and maximize my gains. In addition, community members inside the server are constantly sharing winning strategies which help me refine my skills in real time. You can accept payments for products or services in several ways. The most popular method is PayPal, but you can use Stripe, Square, or alternative payment processors. Number 2. Offer premium features. If you have a Discord server, you can offer your users premium features in exchange for a fee. This could include additional emotes, custom server badges, or bigger file uploads. You can also offer access to exclusive channels or content for paying users. To start offering premium features, you first need to decide what those features will be. Think about what would be most valuable to your users and what they'd be willing to pay for. Number 3. Sponsorships. You can receive sponsorship deals from brands and businesses if you have a large following on Discord. Sponsorships usually involve promoting a product or service on your Discord server or social media channels. You can also be sponsored to attend events or to wear branded merchandise. To get started, simply reach out to brands or businesses that you think would be a good fit for your server. Once you've established contact, work out the details of the advertisement. What length of time it will run for, what products or services will be promoted, etc. Number 4. Offer consultation services. You can offer consultation services to businesses and individuals if you're an expert in a particular field. This could involve providing advice on marketing, product development, technical assistance, or any other area you know about. For example, let's return to the Forex server example from before. Here are all of the consultative services they offer. Installs. Admins help ensure the client knows how to correctly install MT4, trading platform software. A bad install can cause all sorts of problems down the road. Setups. Once MT4 is installed, properly setting it up is crucial. This includes choosing suitable brokers and ensuring that all the correct indicators and bots are in place. Troubleshooting. Even with a good install and setup, things can still go wrong with MT4. Therefore, when clients need one-on-one help, they can schedule time with an expert. Forex bots. Bots can be an excellent tool for traders, but they can also be a huge pain if they're not set up correctly. These services can help adequately configure and manage bots to avoid any headaches. Number 5. Make your server for paid members only. If you want to make some serious money off of Discord, then making your server paid only is the way to go. This can be a great way to monetize a Discord server that offers unique and valuable content. Setting up a paid server with a launch pass. Creating a paid Discord server is easy with Launch Pass. Creating your server. First, you'll need to log into your Discord account. Once logged in, click the plus button to create a new server. Give your server an appealing name and select the region where you want it to be located. After that, click Create. Next, you'll be taken to your new server's dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your server, from adding channels and roles to changing the server's settings. To add channels, click on the Text Channels or Voice Channels heading in the left sidebar. From there, you can either create a new channel or import an existing one from another server. Connect Launch Pass. Now that your server is set up, it's time to connect your Launch Pass account. This will allow you to start your free trial and set up your paid server. To connect Launch Pass, head to Launch Pass and click the Sign into Discord button in the top right corner. Then select your server from the drop-down and authorize the connection. Number 6. Use Discord's Nitro features. Discord offers a premium subscription service called Nitro. For $5 per month, Discord Nitro subscribers get access to exclusive features such as animated avatars, higher quality voice chat, and more. What's excellent about Discord's Nitro service is that it provides a separate revenue stream from your server, so you can continue offering free content on your server while making money from Nitro subscriptions. You'll need to sign up for a Discord partner account to make money from Discord's Nitro service. Once you've done this, you'll be able to enable the Nitro features on your server. From here, people can subscribe to your server's Nitro service and pay the specified price. You can then use this money to pay for server costs, advertisements, or whatever else you'd like. Just set a reasonable price, as people are unlikely to pay more than they feel your server is worth. Number 7. Discord Rich Presence. Another idea is to create a server devoted to a particular game under the Discord Rich Presence program. In this case, you could offer exclusive in-game content, such as items, currency, or power-ups. This would be a great way to monetize a server that's dedicated to a popular game. People are always looking for ways to get ahead in their favorite games, so offering them exclusive content will entice them to pay for access to your server. Of course, you don't have to limit yourself to video game servers. There are all sorts of Discord servers out there, so you can monetize any type of server you can think of. If you have a server with valuable content, there's a good chance people will be willing to pay for access to it. Number 8. Donation or tip jar. This is especially common among content creators such as streamers, YouTubers, and podcasters. When you produce consistent content that people enjoy, they may want to support you financially. One way to do this is to set up a donation or tip jar on your Discord server. This could be done through a service like Upgrade.chat, lowest fee structure, Patreon, or even through Discord's built-in payments system. There are plenty of reasons why people might choose to tip a content creator. Typically, fans enjoy the content and want to support the creator so that they can keep making more. As a result, people are often willing to part with a few dollars or more to show their appreciation. And while it may not seem like much, those tips can add up quickly. Some content creators have reported earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month through tips alone. Number 9. Become an affiliate. You may see people promoting their products or services during your time on Discord. If you find a product or service you like and think your fellow Discord users would appreciate it, you can become an affiliate and earn a commission on every sale you generate. To become an affiliate, contact the product or service owner and inquire about their affiliate program. Once approved, you'll be given a unique link to share with your Discord community. In addition, you'll earn a commission when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. Number 10. Use bots for tipping. If you're a frequent Discord user, you may have encountered bots that let you tip other users in exchange for content or services. While this isn't a surefire way to make money, it can be a nice extra income if you can get in front of users who tip frequently. As the name suggests, a tip bot allows users to send tips to others through cryptocurrency. Several types of tip bots are available, but they all essentially work in the same way. To use a tip bot, you simply need to send a message to the bot with a specific command. For example, you might type, "Tip at username 5Doge" to send 5 Doge, a type of cryptocurrency, to the user at username. The recipient will then receive a notification that they have been tipped and can claim their tip by clicking on a link. Tip bots are a great way to receive compensation for your quality content. You would be surprised how generous engaged users are. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.